Well, today's a pretty exciting video. I have a box here from Racing Hardware Developments, or RHD Engineering. And for those E30 people that already know what it's going to be, but it came all the way from Australia. So I'm just going to take a little bit of time and go through the box and show off the new goodies that are going to the E30. First piece to uncover. Have the M20, so there's 6 of these. Nice. Couldn't tell by now, it's the individual throttle body, or the ITB setup for the M20. Got the RHD logo on there. Never gotten any parts like this, so I don't really know the finishing quality for them or what they should be like. Got a bag of hardware and look at that. As I sit here next to my wall of carbon fiber composite making stuff, I got my first carbon fiber part. Not sure if this will be on first, or if it'll be something that I make first to be the first carbon fiber part. Because like there's my roll. But look at that. Looks good. There's a few layup marks in it, but their logo again. Let's see where some of the fibers stretch, but looks good, as it should be, deceptively light. Here's the inside. Yeah, this is the part. I guess I realized it wasn't going to be a ton of parts, but kind of felt like it would be more, so forgot to crack this box open. But these are, again, lighter. Everything's lighter than I imagined it would be, and I think over the years they've had different color ones. I think it would be silly of me not to just set it in the engine bay and see what it looks like. Yeah, I know there's a lot of stuff in the way. Yeah, so we'll have to get rid of the crab intake, all this stuff. We'll have to take out, clean it up inside, because we'll have our nice new shiny parts in there with a dirty engine bay. And then I'll also switch back to Mega Squirt. It's the Mega Squirt 2 in that case, the cables I need. And then I think I have a wideband sitting around here somewhere, so we'll be able to run back to Mega Squirt, get that in there. But overall, I think the quality's pretty good. It'll be cool to get everything working. We'll have to clean it up. It looks like there's just some of the manufacturing grease or something on there, oils. So yeah, I'll clean everything up. Maybe see if I can polish these even more. Build it on the table out here, get everything assembled. I still have to buy some things to synchronize. You know, the goal is by spring to have it running, driving tuned, all that good stuff, and I can't wait for the sound. These things will be so cool. So for now, soon to be in the engine bay. That was just a quick short one to kind of show over the parts. I have no experience, so I can't really talk over what the quality looks like, but I'm happy with it and super pumped to get into it.